Today, we're featuring a 2018 Peterbilt 579 Tandem highway tractor. This unit comes fully loaded with power windows, locks, and mirrors, with a full load interior including AM/FM CD radio with Bluetooth and leather seats, with a 58-inch sleeper cab with single bunk, with an Esbar bunk heater and a power inverter. This Peterbilt features a Paccar MX-13 engine with 510 horsepower, 236-inch wheelbase, 18-speed manual transmission with a 3.73 gear ratio, Pete low-air leaf suspension with a 13,200 front axle rating and Super 40s rear axles. Equipped solid with power group, quarter fenders, sliding fifth wheel, battery shutoffs, and chain hangers. This Peterbilt has 383,000 miles on it, and it's work ready for the highway. For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.